Hi guys, welcome to your YouTube channel, The Brainsmart. Today, let's explore the 5 incredible artificial swimming pools in the world. We all love to do swimming, right? Or lying idle in the blue water with a glass of drink. So refreshing, isn't it guys? You may have enjoyed swimming in your clubs, hotels or some common pool. But these unique swimming pools in the world will take your experience to the next level. So let's jump right in and find out some of the unique man-made swimming pools across the globe. San Alfonso Del Mar. It's a beautiful resort in Chile. It has a massive pool which hugs the coastline in such a way that it appears as a beach. The first ever Guinness World Record holder for the largest man-made lagoon. It matches the color of the adjoining sea. It is 35 meters deep, spread over 1000 meters, contains 250 million liters of filtered water. The best thing is, you can enjoy sailing in the pool. Yes, you heard that right. Do visit and enjoy the Pacific water plunge. Marina Bay Sands. This amazing pool flows in the most expensive hotel in the world, Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. You can dip in the biggest rooftop infinity pool, which is at a height of 57 stories above the ground. Guys, it is of 146 meters long and can club in 3 ordinary size swimming pools. So when are you packing your bags? Do let us know your experience. Umaid Bhavan Palace Zodiac Pool. Get ready to feel like a Maharaja. This pool is found in the last left great palaces of the rulers Umaid Bhavan in Jodhpur. It was built in 1930s by Maharaja Sir Umaid Singh and reflects his aura and his taste for finest designs. It clubs the combination of both Eastern and Western architecture. This pool is located underneath the palace and is surrounded by 12 zodiac signs painted at the base of the pool. The palace has 347 rooms and now it has been converted into a finest luxury hotels in the world. Nemo 33. Nemo 33 was the world's deepest swimming pool. It is specifically created for divers and named itself in the Guinness Book of World Records. This pool is 115 feet deep and standard swimming is not an easy task. This indoor pool can fulfill your dream of turning into a diver. Ubud Hanging Gardens. And another set of wonder. It's swimming pools. The hotel has 38 running swimming pool guys. These are made to sync with the surrounding scenic views. This hotel is in Bali. Its pools rest on different levels and are made to leave you spellbound. They give you much more than just splashing experience. Catching the views of the forested area below and swimming in the waters on top. Wow, so cool guys. We are sure that you have not yet experienced these never seen before pools. Put them in your travel itinerary and share your views with us. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the notification. See you again.